Let's make it happen. This is 2017 Hit Parade, famous first comic slab, HPFF501. Let's go. All right, Frank H down to Michael W. Let's copy and paste it in. Here we go, guys. Good luck. The roll is there's 3, 4, there's 5, 6, and 7. All right, Chris S to Chris S. And let's do issue numbers next. All right, 1 through 15 to 300. Don't worry, John. I got the right numbers this time, buddy. All right, guys. 61 to 241. Yeah, give me a few, man. If you go on the YouTube page, just type in Babe Ruth. They'll both pop up. They'll both pop up, man. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. See what we got here in our books. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Oh, what is this? What is this? Here we go. This is issue number 66, Marvel Comics 808. Old Man Logan. Storyline begins. Okay, 9.2 grade. Wolverine version 3. Thank you, Mr. Brad. Let me see. Issue number 66. And that is Chris S. coming out to you. Chris S. Nice cover. Old Man Logan. Chris S. That is coming to you. Here's our next one, guys. Oh, man. Might be a good one here. I don't know. We're about to find out, though. All right. 9 grade long shot number 1. Check that out. From September 1985. 9 grade. First appearance of Long Shot and Spiral. Issue number 1. September 85. And that is John W. coming out to you. John W. Been chasing these all night. He got one. Nice hit, John. To look that up, man. Issue number 1. Alright, guys, that is Famous first, and that was HPFF501. Thanks for joining, guys.